In this video, we're going to talk about copyright registration. Now, as we discussed in a prior video, copyright protection attaches automatically as soon as you reduce a work to writing or some other form of tangible medium. For example, if you wrote a song like the world-famous fight song at the University of Michigan, The Victors, played when our tennis team wins a match at the tennis stadium behind me, copyright protects that music or the lyrics as soon as those are written down. You can also register your copyright at the United States Copyright Office, and there are some benefits to doing so. The benefits include that if you register your copyright within 5 years, that your ownership and the validity of that copyright will be presumed. If you register your copyright within 3 months, you're allowed to win statutory damages if you ever had to sue someone for infringing your copyright. Also, federal registration of your copyright is a prerequisite before suing someone in federal court for infringing your copyright. So if you were to ever have to sue someone in court to enforce your copyright against someone that you think made an unauthorized copy of your work, you'd first have to register your copyright. Also, the record of registered copyrights puts the world on notice as to your claim to a copyright in the work and your status as the owner of that copyright. Now, the process of registering your copyright is relatively easy. You can do it online electronically through the United States Copyright Office website at copyright.gov. The fee is only $35, and this can all be done electronically. You also have to provide 2 copies of the work if your work's been published to be deposited at the Copyright Office, and provide various information in the registration form. If you don't want to register electronically, you can do it through paper, but the fee will be $65. You fill out a form, and the form differs depending on the nature of your work. If you have a literary work, you'd fill out form TX, for example. It's never too late to register your copyright, although if you wait too long, you'll miss out on some of the benefits of federal registration. But there is no deadline to actually register your copyright. One thing to remember if you have pursued registration for your copyright is that as you revise your work, in particular for software, where companies are often releasing new revisions of their work and new updates to the software, you'll want to update your registration for each new updated version of the underlying work. That's a general overview of copyright registration.